Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to assign Stitch designs with a brand style guide. Okay, so what you'll do basically, okay, if this is your first time, by the way, you go ahead over to the dashboard and just upload a reference. Okay, say for example, I'm just going to go ahead and upload an image right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and select the channel's logo like this one. And then once done, just give Stitch right here your idea. Okay, for example, create a website that follows this color palette of our brand image. Okay, or I'm just going to go ahead and show you right here. I'm going to go ahead over to one of my apps. Okay, maybe it's the calculator app right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and select maybe this one. I'm going to click on edit right here, add to chat, or copy the text right here, which is the main calculator interface. So in the main calculator interface, use the colors of this image that I will upload. Now click on the plus sign, upload the image. Also add in the logo, the brand logo at the top left. Now, once that's done, just hit on generate right here and just wait for it to load. Okay. Now, another option, for example, your brand or your brand style or colors is like this. Okay. You can go ahead and click on edit. Now, edit the theme, change the color. If you want a custom color, just click on custom. Okay. And once done, hit on apply right here. Wait for it to load. All right. And once it loads, as you can see here, or as you might have noticed in the background, it changes to purple. Okay, the icons as well. Now let's just wait for this one to finish generating. All right, as you can see here, it now says done. So let's just go ahead and scroll down, and here we have the updated version. Okay, we have the company logo right here, the color as well. That is it. That is how you align Stitch designs with your brand style. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.